Hey, good afternoon, folks. Hope you're having a good week. I should say, I hope you're making the best of your week to the best that you can. I understand we've run on some hard times with the coronavirus, the COVID-19 situation we got going on here right now, but hopefully that's not a forever thing. But I did want to come back and make another video. It's been a while since I've been on here, and I am hoping to get back into the video scheme and routine again. Go back to filming. I'm here with the red F-150 today. And actually the reason why I haven't made any videos in a long time is I haven't done anything. I have not done anything all winter. I've drove my blue truck around a little bit. That's about it. My Flex, I guess for lack of better terms, it's a piece of shit. It no longer runs on its own. Well, it runs, but it doesn't move. Possibly a transmission could be bad. I think it has a bad shift solenoid in it. It threw me a code for a shift solenoid, PO 756, and I just haven't had time to get into it. I might have to order a valve body for it. That's what we're looking at on that. So it's been setting since the 1st of February, and I just haven't drove the blue truck that much. I mean the red truck here that much, and I'm getting ready to fire it back up and probably be back into it. Also, I plan on getting exhaust put on it this spring. There's a guy that said that would do it for me like I wanted, and I've talked to him, and I think that's going to happen. Yard is a mess. It needs to be cleaned up, and that's another future project. And I'm hoping probably this week, if it's not too bad this weekend, I'm going to get the mower out and service it, and that's probably going to be a video for you all. I'll try to get you all some shots of that. Neighbor's dogs, pardon that. So that's really about all I got going on, other than our quarantine. Here in Kentucky, we're not so strict right now. The governor was just on, he shut down, you know, all non-essential businesses, restaurants, non-essential retail, stuff like that. So I'm not really sure what kind of time frame that he's talking about having that closed. The Ford truck plant in Louisville, they closed. Amazon fulfillment in Shepherdsville, they have closed. So there is just not really a whole lot open right now here in central Kentucky. You know, of course, I know some of you all might be in other states, and I say that you all are probably experiencing the same thing all over throughout the whole board. Like I said, hopefully this is not a forever thing, and I hope that no one contracts the virus, whatever's going around, or if you have, I hope you get over it, and I hope it's not severe. So anyway, so that's really about all that's going on. Not really much. Like I said, I'm getting ready to start some projects up, so I hope you're still with me on that. Red truck, it's still hanging in there, still run just the best. But yeah, I just haven't really done anything all winter. I have projects now, so spring, and I'm hoping that this year, last year just was not a good year altogether, and I just kind of fell out of the video thing. And something else I didn't mention is another reason why I haven't made so many videos, is the terms of service changes, the COPPA things. That didn't really affect me, but I just kind of wanted to sit back and watch and see what changes were going to take place and who was going to be affected. And I just kind of sat back from that. So that's, you know, also another reason. So I see my neighbor now, she's coming out. So hopefully things resume, I get back to normal. So I plan on getting back into the normal video routine for you all anyway. So that's about all Have to wave at my neighbor. So that's really about all I got going on right now. So anyway, I hope you all are doing good. So you're staying clean, safe, whatever, you know, what all it takes to avoid this. And I hope that you all have a great weekend up and coming, and I will catch you very soon. And thank you for watching.